Dear students, today we shall start a new lesson, addition and subtraction. In your previous class, class 4, you have learned addition and subtraction up to 7-digit numbers. For revision, I am doing an addition for two 6-digit numbers. Add 2,98,175 and 1,34,281. Entering the digits in the place value chart from the back side. This is for 5, 7, 1, 8, 9, 2. For this 1, 8, 2, 4, 3 and 1. Now I shall add the digits of ones place, that is 5 plus 1, we have 6. There is no carry forward to the next place. In tens place we have digits 7 and 8. 7 and 8 is 15. 15, 5 I shall write, and 1 will be carried to the next place. Therefore, in hundreds place, if I add 2 plus 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 4. Here also 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 to I shall be writing in thousands place, and 1 will be carried forward to 10,000s place. Here I shall write 1 for carry. 9 plus 3 plus 1. 9 plus 3 plus 1, it is equal to 13. 13, 3 I shall write here. 1 will be carried to the next lakhs place. 1 is carried. In lakhs place, 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So my answer is 4,32,456. This is lakhs period, that is ended here, so I shall put a comma. Thousands period, it is ending here, I should put a comma. So like this you have to represent the number. Now we shall subtract 1,68,280 from 3 lakh. Here 3 lakh is called minuend. 1,68,280 is called subtrahend. In the place value chart, I have put both the numbers. From 3 lakh, we have to subtract 1,68,280. In ones place, you can see both these digits have value, same value. So 0 minus 0, if we subtract same value, it is 0. Here in tens place, this number is less than this. So what we have to do? In subtraction, we go for the next digit and check if we can borrow some value to this number and then subtract or not. Here also we have the digit 0. So we cannot borrow any number to this, next number. So we shall check to its next place, that is in thousands place digit. Here also we see that it is 0. so we cannot borrow. Again we go to the next step or next place, that is 10,000s place. Here also the digit is 0, so we cannot borrow. In the next place, that is lakhs place, we have the digit 3. So from 3 we can borrow 1 to the next place, that is 10,000s place. If I take 1 from 3, 3 will become 2, and this will become 10. With 1, this 0 will come together and it will be 10. From this 10, I have to take 1, so it will become 9. If I take 1, it becomes 10. Then from 1000 to 100, I shall take 1. So after taking 1, it will become 9 and it becomes 10. From this hundreds place, I shall take 1 to the next place, that is tens place. It becomes 10 and it becomes 9. Now we see that in tens place it is 10 and the subtrahend is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 6 is 3, and this 2 minus 1 is 1. So the difference is 1,31,720. I have put 1 comma after the lakhs period and 1 comma after the thousands period. In this way you have to subtract the numbers using place value chart. We are solving activity 1. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. You can see that 72835 is added to 0. If any number is added to 0, its value doesn't change. So the result will be the same number, 72835. In the next number, question B, what is the predecessor? Because we are adding 1 to this number. If we increment any number by 1, we get the next number. So what is the next number of 89999? 89,999? It is 90,000. So after adding 1 to this number, we get 90,000. Number C, these two numbers are added. Here, after equal sign, you are asked to find what number will be in the blank space. It is a blank space. What number should be in the blank space to be the same value, to have the same value after addition? So it is, if we add these two numbers, here also to get same value we have to add the same number. So in the blank space it will be 281715. Same way, in the left side of the equal sign we have 3 numbers. In the right side of the equal sign also we have 3 numbers. So what will be the number in the blank space? It will be the number which is absent in the right hand side. So here this number is absent in the right hand side. So To make it equal, make the sum equal, we have to add the same numbers in right hand side also. Next question is question number 4. Subtract the sum of 46,450 and 82,425 from 1,50,000. The sum of 46,450 and 82,425, I have done it in the place value chart. So these two numbers are added and I get 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 4 8, 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 8 12. 1 will be carried forwarded to lakhs place. So in lakhs place this 1 will come. So after addition, after the addition, we get 1,28,875 is the sum of these two numbers. Now we have to subtract this value from 1,50,000. So how to do this? Subtraction I shall be doing here. 1,50,000. How much I have to subtract? 1,28,875. So here you can see that we have 0. So 0 is less than 5, so we cannot subtract. We will go for the next digit. Here also 0, we cannot borrow. We shall check in the next number. Here also we cannot borrow. Go for the next number. We cannot borrow because here also we have 0. 0 doesn't have any value. So go for the next number. It is 5. So from 5, if I take 1, it becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. So from 10, again I shall take 1 and it becomes 10. 10 becomes 9 because I have taken 1 to the next number. So 10 becomes 9. From this number, 10, it became 10. From 10 I am taking 1, so with 1 it is 10 now, but as I have taken 1, so it becomes 9. From this 10 I am taking 1, so it is 10 now, it becomes 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Again 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, if we subtract the sum of these two numbers from 1,50,000, we get the result 21,125. You can write place value chart also. Without place value chart also you can do the calculation. Question number 5. Find the number which is 2,354 less than 92,845. So for this you have to think little bit. Find the number which is this much less than this. find the number which is this much less than this. Less means subtraction. So if you subtract this value from this value, you will get the number. Solution. The number which is 2354 less than 92,845 is 92,845 minus 2,354. You can draw the place value chart also, but as you have understood these things, there is you should practice without drawing the place value chart. 5 minus 4, it is 1. Here you see that this number is greater than this. So what I shall do? I shall take 1 from this number. From 8 I have taken 1, so it becomes 14. 8 will become 7. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then comma. 2 minus 2 is 0. 9 will come down. So your answer is 90,491. That means if we add these two numbers, we get this 92,845.